y'all, what's up? Happy Thursday. It's Thursday and I went to work on today, went to get some gas, and now I'm at Cane's. This is what we're gonna have for dinner, some Cane's, girl. I love their sandwiches, so I'm gonna get myself a sandwich, and my son, he gonna get a sandwich. Yeah, so I like their fries too. I like their ice. But yeah, that's what's up. I ain't talking about much, just on your screen, ready to just relax at home. I want to finish watching my movie, girl. I'm still watching the movie The Chosen. It's like different episodes, and I don't know how far it goes to, but so far it's been really good. That's what your girl been doing. I just been working and everything. Let me pay for my food. Lemonade and iced tea. Oh, I didn't know they had iced tea. Can I get a cup holder? Thank you. $0.39 Cane's. Thank you. Yeah, girl, so your girl ain't been up to much, just working. Hi, the extra sauce inside? Yes, okay, thank you. Hopefully they are. All right, guys, I'll see y'all when I get home. Yeah. Dropped him off today, and now I'm headed to turn this heat down. It's cold out here. It's 32 degrees. Here in the Chicago. And I want to go back to where I say I was going. I want to go back to TJ Maxx to take them back their selfie mirror light, whatever you want to call it, because it's not working. It don't turn on, it don't light up. So I'm gonna, maybe I'll get another one. I really don't need it, but I think it's cute to have. It was only $5.99. And what else? I don't really like them, but I know I might find something else there. And what else? Oh, and then I gotta go to Walmart really quick because those I don't really like the smell of those feminine wash. I just like the regular ones that I usually use, which is in the pink bottle. I think it's called Vagisil. It's pink, and it's just really good. Works good for me. If it's not broke, don't fix it, child. So how y'all doing? Happy Friday. It is early. I'm gonna go back home once I leave the store. And my plan is to wash my hair, film a video, but I need to wash my hair because it's dirty. Yeah. I'm not hungry, so there's no need for me to stop at Starbucks. So I'm not gonna waste any money. Something else I wanted to say, and then I'm gonna just, although it's kind of wet out, I'm still gonna get a car wash because I hate when the car turns white. And that is about it. I'm just in the car talking to the Lord, child. My friend always say, you don't never listen to the radio. Every blue moon, I don't listen to the radio. If I listen to some music, it's some music that is on my phone, and I play it in my car. But most of the time when I'm in my car, I like it peaceful, silent, and I don't like all that ruckus. I like to talk to the Lord and just have conversation with him and just stay in communication. That's just me, because there's so much going on in the world. You just gotta always like be prayed up. I mean, but if that's not your thing, then I understand. You do you play your music and enjoy your ride. But for me, it's something that I need. it's a hunger. Put it like that. But anyway, before I pull this coat out the box, I really like this coat. I pulled this one out of the closet to put it on since it's 32 degrees out. And I am going to go to these two stores, get a car wash. I already got gas on yesterday, a full tank. Go back home, wash my hair, film a video, and hopefully I can be done with everything by 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, by 1 o'clock. Alright, let's go. What are these? Pancakes with sausage. Oh, that's cute. A little miniature for like a kid or something to go. Breakfast on the go by Black Label. That's good. This one is the one with the bacon. That's a really good idea. Oh, they have the egg bites. That might be good too. But this is what I have already. I did get some eggs. They were like $3 or something. So it's not that expensive. Alright, y'all. So I am back. And I'm behind in time because I had went to Walmart. And I found myself getting groceries. Stuff that I really didn't need, but I wanted. And then I stopped at, I told you I was going to TJ Maxx. And I can't believe I spent $100. And I was just going to return that light, but I ended up finding some more of the Lily lashes. I didn't see any more when I went, so FYI, don't go up there because there isn't any. But I did see this MAC Double Gleam. I guess it's a highlighter. I don't know. I ain't even tried it out. But I'm gonna try it out now since I put sanitizer on my hand. Hopefully it's a cute highlighter. Yes, girl, I'm behind in time. I need to go home really quick, make me something to eat because I was gonna go to Starbucks, but I'm not gonna spend $15 unnecessarily when I can. Look at my hair, girl. When I can make me some turkey bacon, eggs, and some toast. So this is how it looks. It says Double Gleam. Well, I don't know. We shall see. Yeah, right now it's giving ashy. It's giving ashy, but I have my receipt. I can always return it if it don't work out. It was, how much was this? $14.99. Kind of good, y'all. What's up, y'all? So I'm back at home. I just threw on this little robe thing. I am chilling. I finally found another box cutter. But yeah, I went to Walmart. I want to do a quick haul. This is going to be a quick haul for y'all. Let me show y'all really quick what I picked up. I went to Walmart. I needed some great value. I wanted some French toast sticks. I'm about to make that now with some hash browns. And I always pick up some milk because we eat a lot of cereal. I seen these little fruit chewy things by High C. They're pretty good. Like a little quick snack. And then I seen the Japanese style ramen noodles. These right here. I'm going to make this dish. The camera's dark. Hopefully it's lighter. Yeah. Is it light? Okay, I'm gonna make this dish right here. And this is like that faux soup. I picked up these. I like the ramen noodles, the creamy chicken. I like that. You know, when you want something real quick. And I'm gonna make me some sweet potato pie. So I'm gonna, I got my vanilla extract finally. I got some eggs, a dozen. They were like $3 and some change. Some more of these cookies. This time I gotta hide them. I hid them in a cabinet thinking my son wouldn't see them. Girl, he's seen them. And some sweet ginger, citrus, turmeric, vitality, some tea. Some brown sugar for my sweet potato pies. oregano. This is their mild sauce. Really, really good on your tacos, girl. It seems like it's dark in here, but sometimes when I look over it, it's not as dark. But then we have some home run in pizzas when you want something at nighttime, but you don't feel like eating heavy. And I was just gonna buy this too. These biscuits, but he already got it. Edwards key lime pie, carnation milk, turkey bacon. We need ketchup, double mint, bread artisano, my favorite. And this is my first time seeing this, the Immunity Zinc C&E orange mango drink. Some vegetable oil, sweet potatoes for my pie that I'm gonna make again. Caesar salad from Kraft. This is the deluxe. This is the bold Caesar. It's like restaurant style. Then I have some ginger, because I'm gonna put ginger, lemon, and yeah, ginger, lemon, and a little honey in my water. Shout out to my cousin Tamika. Well, I've tried it before when I had like COVID. I don't have COVID, but she was like, it's good, so I'm gonna try it. Girl, I got a few more bags. And then I purchased some miso broth, because I'm gonna make some soup. I've seen Kiara Sheard, she made some tacos, and she used these tortilla shells. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, soy-free, they're vegan. We're gonna try this. That's supposed to, yeah, store it in the refrigerator. I've seen this spicy kung pao. I don't know what this is, but it's a noodle bowl. Well, I know what it is, but I never tried it, put it like that. And I think it's gonna be good. Some 100% honey. Some pho soup. This is by Annie Chong's. Never had that, but it should be good. Sometimes go like Benihana's, or is it Benihana's? It's the other one. I can't think of it, but it's in Tinley. I'll put the name right here. They usually always have some really good pho soup. I got the lemons, a bag of grapes, my favorite cheese to go on my tacos, which is the Supremo Chihuahua shredded Chihuahua cheese. And I did not go in the store for any of this. I just went in the store to pick up these two items, and I got I think the bill was like $180. I was just going in there to exchange this to get this. This is my favorite intimate wash. This Vagisil, it's really, really good, especially when you come on your girly girl time. It just makes you more cleaner. Some more mouthwash, and I like it. But the other ones that I purchased that I showed y'all in my other haul, I did not like the smell, because when I put it on a rag, I'm like, the one, I think it was peach. I don't think you want the smell of peach down there. I'm just saying. Okay, then we have the Minute Maid Zero Sugars. I see he already brought some. He already brought the mango passion, but it's almost gone, the lemonade. So I re-upped and I got the fruit punch. The fruit punch is really good. That's what made me get it. And then I picked up some sugar snap peas to go in my soup that I'm gonna make, along with some carrot chips, so I can put that in my salad. And I picked up some more bananas. And then I picked up an ironing board. This little miniature ironing board that you put like on your bed or in a room, because I don't like going downstairs ironing. It's like, it's taking 10 minutes of my day. I could just whip this out, iron a shirt or something like that. And I think this was like $10. Has little legs. Yeah. And I still do love my iron, which is from Chi. I do love that. I'll show y'all that for those of y'all who don't know what I'm talking about. I'll show y'all that in a few minutes. I went to TJ Maxx, Ulta, and I'm thinking this haul was enough. It's gonna be a really short video for y'all for today, and I'm gonna show you probably that in a separate video because I'm about to put this stuff away, make me some breakfast because I'm hungry. And I'll see y'all a little bit later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this here haul. Let me show y'all the iron real quick. Okay, y'all, this is the cheap iron that I was talking about. It's the bomb. A really good iron. If you in need of one, steams really good. Throw all of this stuff away. I will see you guys. I'll probably put like 2 videos out today, and I'll show you my haul from TJ Maxx, and also that'll be a separate haul because this is grocery, and some people don't like watching grocery hauls, so I won't mix the two up. Okay, I'm making some turkey bacon hash brown. Let me turn it down some. And I'm going to make some French toast and eggs. I'll show y'all my plate when I get done. Alright, y'all, so I just finally finished my breakfast. I have turkey, hash browns, a few grapes, scrambled eggs, and some of these French toast from Great Value. They are so good, but you gotta have the butter-rich syrup to put on there, and my drink is probably some water. So I'm gonna finish this, do my hair,